explain you about monocotyledonous leaf. So this is the monocotyledonous leaf. Okay, it is also known as isobilateral leaf. Okay, now the anatomy of the isobilateral leaf is similar to that of the dorsiventral in many ways. As I said, little bit variation is there in between the monocotyledon and dicotyledonous leaf. Not totally huge difference, just little. Like some of the names which will be different or the functions are different, like that. It shows the following characteristics differences. In an isobilateral leaf, the stomata are present on both sides of the epidermis. Now, in this isobilateral leaf which is there, the stomata which is there, it's playing a huge amount of cells, right? So this is the diagram of the monocotyledon leaf in which this is the adaxial epidermis. Adaxial, it means upper surface. Now abaxial, it is here in the lower surface of the leaf. In this diagram, the xylem is present here and the phloem is here. And then the gap which is there in between the cells, those are known as stomatal cavity. Remember this, it's very important. The cavity which is there, it is substomatal cavity, or it's also known as. Right, now it shows the following characteristic differences. In an isobilateral leaf, the stomata are present on both surfaces of the epidermis. As I said, it is present on both abaxial and adaxial surfaces. And the mesophyll is not differentiated into pedicellin and spongy. The parenchymatous cell which is there, it is not differentiated in between the spongy and pelecidin, as it was differentiated in between the dicotyledon leaf. Now, in grasses, certain adaxial epidermal cells along the vein modify themselves into large, empty, colorless, which are known as bulliform cells. Now, the question might come, what is this bulliform cells? The bulliform cells which are colorless, empty and large. Okay. When the bulliform cells in the leaves have absorbed water or tregged, the leaf surface is exposed. When they flaccid due to water stress, they make the leaves curl inward to minimize water loss. The leaves which are there, it will be curly like structure. Okay. So the leaves which are there, they will be curled inside themselves. You might be seen in some of the summer season, or might be loss of water in the gardens and all. Now, they make the leaves curl inward to minimize or water loss. The parallel vegetation in monocot leaves is reflected in near similar sizes of vascular bundles, except in main veins, as seen in the vertical sections of these leaves. So, now I have completed the chapter Anatomy of Flowering Plants. Hope you understand this video. Thank you.